Is your life too loud? Do you get enough sleep? Well, have I got the solution for you.
Hi, I'm Jim Jimson, and today I'm talking about my revolutionary product, PS Proofing.
The new portable soundproofing that makes your life easier. It can keep noise down in the house. While you're taking a nap. And even when you're driving.
It even comes in multiple colors, so even your kids will love it.
It's destructible and easy to use in small pieces.
Now you may be thinking to yourself, Jim, how did you make this revolutionary design, and what stuff do you use in it? Well, the answer to that is... well, that sucks, because I'm not telling you.
Order your PS Proofing today, because when noise is in town, PS Proofing will keep it down. Order your PS Proofing today for $1.99 per sheet. PS Proofing is not responsible for any accidents that may have been caused by using PS Proofing.